Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your literature class, children. So as you all know that this is our literature book, New Mulberry, right? And we have we have already finished the syllabus of half yearly, right? Isn't it? And I hope that you have written all the question answers and the back exercises that we have discussed. Okay. So today what we'll do these days, we will just give revision to whatever we have done. Okay, so side by side, if we get time, then we will start with the new chapter also. And for today, let us have a revision of chapter 4 of your book. So open your book at page number 44. You got my point? We'll do revision today. So this is page number 44 and this is chapter 4. We will do the revision. Okay, I know that all of you know the story, you have learned the question answer also, but just as a revision we will do the class. Okay, so that if any doubt is there, it will get clear. Okay, now so this is a story of a cat and a mouse, right? All of you know that, and the name of the chapter is The Tale of Miss Moppet. What is the meaning of tale? Tale means small stories. Okay, this tale means small story. Okay, now here the story is about a cat and a mouse. The cat is small, that is kitten. But do you know that the young one of a cat is known as kitten, right? So here it's about a kitten and her name is Miss Moppet. She is female and her name is Miss Moppet. And she thinks that she heard a sound. She heard a sound of a mouse. Okay, and this is the mouse peeping out behind the cupboard. And the mouse, see, this is the picture of the mouse. It is peeping like this, looking at the cat. Okay, so it is peeping. Okay, out behind the cupboard and making fun of Miss Moppet. And this mouse is very naughty. She was making fun of the kitten of Miss Moppet, as she knows that the mouse knows that this is a small kitten and the mouse is not at all afraid of kitten. Okay, so then what happened? Miss Moppet, this is Miss Moppet, and here the picture you can see is Miss Moppet. This is Moppet. Okay, this is Moppet, and what Moppet is doing, this is Miss Moppet jumping just too late. She misses the mouse. So the cats are always after the mouse, isn't it? So they feed on mouse, right? So here this Moppet, it was trying to catch hold of the cat was trying to catch hold of the mouse, but by chance it missed it. Okay, she missed the mouse, and the cat hits her own head, and she hits her own head, not paw. Okay, hits her own head. Okay, and she thinks it is very hard cupboard, and she thinks that it is a very hard cupboard. Okay, the cupboard is very hard. Then come to the next page 45. The mouse was watching Miss Moppet from the top of the cupboard. See here in this picture, you can see it is sitting on the top of the cupboard and just watching at Miss Moppet. Okay, and it is making fun of Miss Moppet also. This Moppet ties up her head in a duster. She got hard, so with a piece of cloth, she tied her head. Okay, and sit before the fire, and she was sitting near the fire. Okay, the mouse thinks she's looking very ill. She comes sliding down the garden, and the mouse thinks that she got hurt and she's very sick, ill, and so she slides over down the curtain to see. Okay, then Miss Moppet looks worse and worse. The mouse comes a little nearer, and as the mouse was thinking that Miss Moppet is looking very ill, she cannot catch me. Then she started to come nearer to the mouse. Okay, now Miss Moppet hold her poor head in her paws, and she was holding her hand like this. Okay, in her paws. Okay, and sitting very clever, and looks at him through a hole in the duster. The duster that she put, there was a hole, and through the hole she was looking. Miss Moppet was looking what the mouse was doing, but the mouse was not aware of this. Okay, then the mouse came very close, and the mouse was thinking Moppet is very ill. as she got hurt and now she cannot do me. She can do me nothing. So she was going near to the cat. Okay. Then then all of a sudden Miss Moped jumps up on the mouse and catch hold of the mouse. Okay. Then as if she was looking through the hole. Okay, and because the mouse was teased Miss Moped, and because the mouse has teased Miss Moped, and that mouse from the beginning it was teasing, it was making fun of Miss Moped. So now she took revenge and she thinks that okay, I will also just catch him. Okay, I'll also teach him a lesson. Now Miss Moped thinks she will tease the mouse, which is not at all nice to her. It was not nice to her, right? Isn't it, to tease anyone? Then what she did, she tied after catching that mouse, she tied the mouse in the duster and then it tossed it like a ball. Okay, you can see here. Now the mouse is tossing the cat is tossing the mouse. Okay, like a ball. Okay, then but there was a hole in the duster. Okay, and it was not, and just it was not known to her. She forgot that. Okay, that there is a hole, and from the hole the mouse it came out. Okay, she forgot about the hole in the duster, and when she untied that duster there was no mouse. Okay, why? There was a hole. From inside the hole the mouse ran away, and he has wriggled out and run away, and he's dancing a jig on the top of the cupboard. Again, what she did, she was dancing on the top as she was escaped from that duster through the hole. Okay, this is the story about Miss Moppet and the mouse. Okay, okay, okay. Then, and the question answer we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.